In this short video, I'm going to show you how to empty your web browser cache in Microsoft Edge in this case, but it's very similar to any web browser. Just to explain what a browser cache is as well, just very quickly. When you first come onto a website, obviously the web page has to be downloaded, and any images, it's not just images as well, like there'll be like CSS files which control the look of the web page, like JavaScript files, etc. You'll actually be quite surprised, there'll be quite a lot of assets. So all those get stored in like a temporary cache or temporary store really. And it does that purely for performance reasons. So when you come onto the website next time, it doesn't have to download them from the server, and it just makes the whole thing just feel a bit more snappy and a bit more performant. So that's what a cache is. Now, when you clear the cache, I'll show you. So if we click on the little three dots at the top right there, and then say settings, and then come down into privacy, and then we've got this clear. It's called browsing data nowadays because there's a bit more to it than just simply clearing the cache. So we'll say choose what to clear. So you can choose how long you want to do it. So I'll do all time. And then you've got the different parts to it. So you've got your browsing history. That's obviously just your history of the sites you've visited. So you might want to do that. You can see there, I've not done this for a while, so I've got nearly 5,000. And then you've got your download history, which is self-explanatory. Then you've got the cookies. Now, cookies will be like, well, the cookies do all sorts of different things, but like if you go on like a website form, for instance, and it already knows your name, or like you might be on, I don't know, you might be like on Facebook or something, and you see adverts for things that you've just been viewing on another website. Like you might have been on that like a retailer's website looking at, I don't know, trainers or something, and then you come on Facebook and you think, oh, it's just, and it shows you trainers that you've just been looking at. Well, that's cookies that have been at play there. They're just little text files, really. Well, not really. They are little text files that the browser can read in and out. So, again, you might want to clear them. I mean, to be honest, it's probably a good idea to clear those every now and again. And then this is the one that we're referring to, or the one that's important in this case, is this cached images. And you can see now I've got nearly 200 megs worth, which is quite a lot for the web, actually. And then you just simply say clear now. So choose the time period. If you don't want to get rid of all your form fields and stuff, then obviously uncheck those and just leave cached images. Then just say clear now, and that'll do the trick. Okay, cheers. Thanks very much.